We'll try that shit. No, they ain't supposed to be vaping. There's a dog walking through these things.
Yeah, with its owner.
The dog is close.
Yeah, I see him. That looked like a tiger tracks.
It'd be more big.
Big. Oh my
It'd be
God.
like this.
Look at this.
Two of my hands together, one paw.
This is the sand.
I knew it was this way. I said no. The ocean is over here.
Oh my gosh, look.
So I didn't forget too much because now I walked that one way, then I went back the other way to the hotel we was at.
All right. I think they belong to them.
You didn't want to bring none.
We could have.
We ain't got nothing anyway.
Yes, we do. We got those chairs that we sat on the patio with. This is what I wanted to see.
But there it is right there. Right there. The Atlantic Ocean. I knew that cold air is in the ocean. Reason why the Caribbean got cleaner water, there ain't a lot of us down there. In fact, going in.
Going there.